Here is why you're not getting booked, or more so, rebooked. Look, if your speech isn't dialed in, the audience might clap, but your planner will not call you back. The truth is, most planners are looking for someone that can in fact do a phenomenal job that becomes a safe bet, right? The safe bet means, hey, if I put this person out there on my behalf of my company or my planner, he's gonna make me look good, whoever it may be. And so you have to do it right to where when you deliver, you're not just delivering for this audience, it's an interview for the next speech you're giving. That's what drives rebookings, because someone goes, I love this person, I gotta put them out in front of everybody because they make me look good, and the audience loves them, right? So it's not just energy, it's heavy structure. Is there takeaways? Is there what's called next day impact woven into what you're talking about? Well, now you also want to have what's called an onstage rubric that scores and measures how you do. We have a system called the ovation process. If you want more information about that, comment the word speak down below. We'll get it to you. The idea is you really got to understand what it takes. And it's not just energy, it's knowing what to say that has value. So the planner goes, more people need to hear this speaker.